We're back to learning CapCut in the year day 121. Let me show you how you can adjust the audio volume. In principle, you've got two files that includes audio, a simple audio file, for example, an MP3. When you put it in the timeline, you can directly see the basic option. There's another basic below, and the volume slider is inside. If you can't see that, just open a drop down and you can just use the slider and you can see it in the timeline how this also changes its height. The second kind of audio clip that you can have is something that's basically encapsulated, nested inside of your video clip. So here in this case, this is my tutorial from last time. It has an audio track inbuilt. And when that is active, you will first see a video option on the top right. Just switch to audio. And then the basic looks a little bit different, but it works the same way. So once you've got it selected, you can find the slider under this basic dropdown. And you can also left click drag directly here on the clip and drag it up and down, which is the same. So this once again the volume slider. And this is how you can adjust the audio volume in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.